Okay guys, today we've got an awesome tutorial. We're going to show you how to clean your iPhone screen. Now, we've got two items here that are critical to this tutorial. We've got some rubbing alcohol, and we've got a cotton swab. Now, we're going to stick the cotton swab all up in there. Got it nice and wet. And we're going to apply it to the screen. That's very nice, so you want to spread it everywhere. Make sure you get all those crevices covered. So, you're going to take your paper towel and just dry it off. And bam! Clean just like new. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thumb me up.